first living area corner space, which is again beside a kitchen area space. So this is what the kitchen area space is going to stand, that it's your master bedroom, and the way it's designed. So after all this, why exactly should you be investing in this project? Well, it is pre-certified gold green building standards that ensure longer term quality overheads and better future asset value ratio. Let's also quickly understand about the builder. You see, the builder is known for executing large-scale and high residential communities with advanced structural integrity. So here's presenting Marina Skies by Cybercity Builders and Developers. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour for Cybercity Marina Skies by Cybercity Builders and Developers, which is located off Green Hills Road, Kukatpalli, Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is the surrounding of your project. So your marketing office is present exactly over here and your land parcel is just behind this. Now before that, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos, but with Housey it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. First, let's quickly understand about the project. So it is constructed on 10 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with 4 basement ground and 30 floors. Now it also includes your 3 BHK and 4 BHK plus 1 premium residences. Let's talk about your amenities part. So at first you have this grand clubhouse, which is going to be of 50,000 square feet. Now it also includes your fully equipped gymnasium inside. Then you will also find your swimming pool area. After that you will have your badminton court. And then on the other side you will find your tennis court area as well. And a lot more. Let's also quickly understand the location. So this is the exact location of the project, which is located on off Green Hills Road, Kukatpalli, Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. Now you see your Kukatpalli metro station, your Nexus Mall, the Kukatpalli GNTU, everything is just close by from here. Let's talk about the location part. You see your Kukatpalli metro station is just 2.8 kilometers away from here. Your Nexus Mall Kukatpalli is 4.1 kilometers away. And the GNTU Hyderabad is just 4.7 kilometers away. Now, if all this while you have been planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Rights of Home Buyer series. You see, many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? Sometimes after possession you have leakage, construction quality related issues. Sometimes you don't even know what liabilities. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all these rights. Therefore, we have explained them in a very easy to understandable manner and the link for it is in the description below. Do watch the series. A project that gives you a perfect location view of the entire greenery with a lake view as well. Hello everyone, today we will be doing the sample flat tour for Marina Skies for 4 BHK plus 1 and the configuration for that is 4100 square feet onwards. Let's get this video started. So, as soon as you enter this house, you might notice how perfectly everything is divided in the house. So as soon as you enter, you will have this first living area corner space, which is again designed very perfectly. So you have this whole walkable open area space which ends up till that side of the corner just below your staircase area. Now if you look at this side as well, you have a whole huge window system as well, which is again perfect for your ventilation source, and again you have a perfect greenery view from here as well. So your sofa, your table, chair, everything would just fit perfectly into this specific area. And then comes your other open space living area, which is divided half by your staircase area space. So this is what this space is going to look like. You can add your entire huge dining table in the center if you want, or you can even add extra table and chair on this corner. And then right in front of this, you will find your open balcony area space. Now if you look at the balcony, you will notice that it's given proper wooden flooring structure, and because it is designed in a much more rectangle shape, you also have a lot of space area to walk, to add anything you want. You have your glassware attached for your safety reason, and from here, this side of the house, you will have your lake view as you can see. Now, in this living area space corner itself, one separate corner also is again divided, where if you want, you can add on this opposite corner a small shoe rack or anything that you like. And then on this opposite corner you will find your open common washroom area space, which is again very spacious. If you look, the toiletry and shower both are divided perfectly inside. You also have your exhaust fan unit placed. Now, if you notice on this corner you will find your kitchen area space, but before that you have this first extra wash basin area space. If you want, you can add that or you can change that as well. And then when you walk inside you will find your entire kitchen area space. So this is what the kitchen area space is going to look like. Now both sides of the kitchen can be used for adding your extra storage units, and then opposite corner of the kitchen can be used for adding your fridge, your electrical appliances like your oven. Now this kitchen specifically has two window systems. One is on this side and one is on the opposite side. So you will find one of it over here where your wash basin is placed. And of course the kitchen also comes with your utility balcony area, which is spacious enough for you to add your washing machine, or you can even do your laundry system here. So you have tap water access, drainage access, and you also have your lighting switch. Now entering into our first bedroom area space. This is what your first bedroom area space is going to look like. This also comes with your private balcony and your private attached washroom as well. It is also extremely very spacious. In the center you can add your bedding unit. On the opposite corner you can add your wardrobe system, and if you look on these two opposite sides before your balcony as well, you can add a small table and chair as well. And the best part about the house is that your first bedroom itself comes with your private balcony area space, which is again just like your living area balcony, very spacious. You have again the same view. It's greenery, entire society can be seen from here. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you'll also get the EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details, pros and cons of the project as well. You also get a 360 virtual tour of the project. Now, if you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you just have to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, from where you can also easily download our e-brochures and pricing sheets. Entering into our master bedroom. Now, as soon as you enter inside of this room, it's very easy to understand that it's your master bedroom, and the way it's designed is very perfect. So you have a whole longitudinal space where you can add even two beddings over here, and you would still have a lot of walkable space. Now if you want, you can even divide the side corners of this bedroom by turning it into your small walk-in closet or your dressing area, and then two huge window system which again make it perfect for your ventilation source. So if you want, in the centerpiece over here, you can either add your TV if your bedding is here, or you can even add your table, couch or space chair on the opposite corner. Coming to your attached washroom, it is also again very spacious, where your shower system can be divided by adding your glass partition unit over here, and then on the opposite side you will find your toiletry and exhaust fan. Now we will be going to the second floor of the house, where you will find your other rooms. So this is what the second floor space area is going to look like. As you can see, there are so many plus points about the house. You even have another open living area space which extends all up till that side of the house, which means you can add a lot of couches, tables, chairs, making it just a perfect place to exist if you have a lot of family members. And then in front of this again, you will find your private balcony area, which is again exactly very spacious, same wooden flooring, you have your glassware attached and a perfect view of the lakeside. Now, entering into our third bedroom, this is what it's going to look like. The third bedroom area space also is very beautifully designed. Again, here as well you have your private attached balcony, which is having the same space, and it gives you the perfect view from the outside. And of course, the room also comes with your private attached washroom, which over here as well for your third bedroom, you will be given a glass partition unit where you can add for your shower system, and then opposite you'll find your toiletry unit, and just above that you have your exhaust fan as well. Now entering into our master bedroom. So this is what your entire master bedroom area space is going to look like. Again, if you notice, this is actually extremely very spacious. You can even fit two beds over here. You can add your table and your chair as well, and you would still have a lot of walkable area space in the entire room. The other good point is you have two whole huge window systems just opposite to your bedding area space, which is again perfect source for ventilation and conditioning. Now you have a walkaway passage in the center, which again gives you a separate whole entire corner for you to turn it into your walk-in closet area space. So now if you want, you can turn this into your walk-in closet area space, which will be perfect, or if you want, you can turn this into your study area room as well. Here again the plus point is you again have additional two extra window units. You have proper lighting system here as well, making this another perfect point to invest in this house. And then on the opposite corner, you will also find your attached washroom area space. So this is what it's going to look like. If you notice, this is also extremely very spacious. You have your shower unit where you can add your glass partition system. On that opposite, you'll find your exhaust fan, and then on the opposite, you have your toiletry unit. Now on the opposite sides of this, you will find your common washroom area space, which is again very spacious. So this is your second common washroom area space, where also again you have shower system, and you can also add your glass partition. You have your exhaust fan on the opposite side, and you also have your toiletry unit. This is your last bedroom. So this is not basically a bedroom. You can turn this into your home theater like area, the plus one that you have, or if you want, you can also give it for your guest. Here again, the plus point is you have a huge window system which gives you perfect view from outside. You can fit in your wardrobe, your tables, your chairs, your beddings, and even a lot more walkable space area. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about this house. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey. So everyone, that was a sample flat tour for Cybercity Marina Skies by Cybercity Builders and Developers located off Green Hills Road, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey, and do not forget to click on the link from where you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.